number line. We visualize numbers on the number line. Okay, so let's say for example, we're trying to add 3 plus minus 4. Well, we can visualize this on the number line. Keep in mind on the number line, we typically start at 0 in the middle and go outwards to the right, positive numbers, to the left, negative numbers, and it's always continuous. So, well, mathematically we can do this fairly straightforward, right? 3 plus minus 4, positive and negative makes it a negative. Agreed? So it would be 3 minus 4. So technically 3 minus 4 will give you negative 1. Okay, but let's visualize this on the number line. Sometimes it's helpful to be able to see what we just did on a number line. Sometimes, depending on the case. So we start at 3, and according to this, we're going to add negative 4. In other words, we're going to go back 4. So going back 1, 2, 3, and 4. We went back 4 spaces. That leaves us at negative 1. So we can see visually that number line also helps us to be able to add or subtract, in other words. Rational numbers, in other words, fractions, is one example. Numbers divided by a numerator divided by a denominator, n over d, where n and d are integers. So let's say 6 over 5. Integers, exact numbers. Prime number, 5 is a prime number, right? So is there a multiple of 5 that's also a multiple of 6? Remember, you want to try to simplify this. No, 5 is a prime number, right? Since 5 is a prime number and 6 is not a multiple of 5, we can't simplify in this case. So that would be your final answer as a fraction. Okay. What happens if d is a non-zero number? Well, it's an example. Let's start with 0. 0 divided by 2. Well, if you have nothing divided by 2, so you have nothing, put your hands spaced between each other, and let's say you divide it in half, well, there's still nothing, right? As long as you take the air out of the area, right? Or the region. So 0 divided by nothing, or 0 divided by 2, still 0. Nothing still. So still 0. But on the other hand, 6 divided by 0, if you have something and you divide it by nothing, what do you get? Well, let's say a bottle of water. You divide it by nothing? That's kind of odd. And that's a tricky one, actually. Even today. Well, something divided by nothing gives you, well, we don't know. So we say it's undefined. So do remember, 0 divided by 2 will actually give you 0. But on the other hand, anything divided by 0 is undefined. We can't do it. We don't know what we get. So we just say it's undefined.